So this is a 2-bedroom chalet to the private beach. Just wanted to share with you one thing, like, let me show you what I have. Amina! So guys, welcome to Sealine Beach Resort, and we have finally reached our destination. And from Bahrain till Sealine Beach Resort, 390 kilometers, that's it. It was such a short drive. I think we reached it took us a bit long, like around 6 hours, because of the fingerprint procedure and a little bit delay on the borders. That's it. Otherwise, you can just reach within 4 hours to this beautiful location. If you watch my last video, you can see all the border procedure I have explained in that video itself. So now come, let me show you this beautiful heaven. While Qatar is famous for its deserts landscape, Sealine surprises you with lush trees, manicured gardens and natural greenery that is perfectly framed for the coastal backdrop, creating an oasis-like vibe right by the beach. From staying active to relaxing in style, the resort delivers everything. They have a tennis court, they have a fully equipped gym. This resort has a dedicated kids play area and pool, ensuring little ones are just entertained as adults. So welcome to Sealine Beach Resort. So this is our access card. My kids are already inside. So the moment you enter over here, there is a mirror. So you can see yourself and admire yourself. So this is a 2-bedroom chalet. And first we are having this beautiful bedroom for ourselves. Over here in the room also we have storage space where you can keep all your clothes, and they have even given us this slippers bag. Because this is a beach resort, you will be doing so many activities and they want you to be hydrated. That's why you have so much complimentary water in this resort. So you can see right now 4 bottles are within this room, and if you come towards the hall, like 9 bottles are in the hall, and then you get another 2 bottles. All of this is complimentary, and this is the beautiful seating area. So if you have any guests or anyone, even they can come over here. You can just sit, chillax, watch your favorite TV shows. Hamdan is already enjoying. Actually, they have made it really special for us, for the kids. There were so many balloons over here, and they have taken all those balloons in their room. So now let me show you the room for the kids, and this is another beautiful room. This is the room for the kids. They have 2 separate beds for them, and they have the direct access to the private beach. Is it beautiful? And this is the kitchen area. So if you ordered some food or something, they have given you plates over here. And these are your complimentary coffee. And main thing, they have kept the correct tea. So you have Nescafe, you have English breakfast tea. So many different option of tea is given over here. They have taken the whole package with lunch, breakfast, dinner. So guys, even in the washroom, there is complimentary water. So guys, see my little one, Hamdan. He can see his brothers and sister are playing outside and he wants to go outside. And this is the garden area where we can sit and eat and drink and relax. And that is the beach where we can go and swim. And after swimming and before going to swim, you can come and take shower in this area, which is directly attached to our chalet. So guys, we have just kept our bags, we settled down. As I showed you the rooms are really neat, clean and beautiful, and the ambience over here is mind blowing. Just wanted to share with you one thing, like, sometime when you go for vacations, so many times we go for adventures, we are walking, hiking and doing so many things, visiting mountains. It's like not easy. But we should sometime take these type of vacations where you just came in a place, in a chalet villa, you're staying just to yourself, relaxing. Right at the back, there is a beautiful beach, and you just want to relax. Like, you don't want to run, you don't want to climb, or you don't want to do any such activity. Then trust me, guys, this type of vacation is like next level. They are bringing water from the well. What you're doing, Ghanem? I taking water and make it big carton. So this is how he is getting water from there. Water in your sandal? Yeah. Okay. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'm gonna show. The Sealine Beach staff were really kind, and now it is evening time. It's around 7 o'clock. and they got for us some fresh fruits, and they got for us sweets with dry fruits. يلا غانم أي حلاوة تبي؟ تبي حلاوة وفواكه؟ أي واحد؟ Okay. Amina, how's the sweet? Yummy? Bismillah. Really fresh and crispy. So now the time is 8:50 in the night and it's really humid. The moment you come out, you just start to sweat. So we are going to have our dinner over here. So guys, this is our menu and I'm going to order the Caesar salad, which is chicken, which is 45 real, and then Oriental mix. And done. So first, my favorite chocolate milkshake. Oh, too good. Like the chocolate, you feel like, it's not that sweet, but it's having the real chocolate flavors. More hot and no cold, no spicy. Guys, this is my Caesar salad. So first thing, as always, eat salad and then eat your meat so you can eat less. This is the Caesar salad sauce. And this was less, so I told them to bring extra. Now it's going to taste next level. So always make sure to add more sauce in your salad. Mmm, so juicy, full of fat. Amazing. Time to end this dinner with this yummy, delicious chocolate cake. So, Bismillah. How was the chocolate ice cream? Yummy. Did you enjoy? Good morning from Sealine Beach Resort, and now we came for our breakfast. And let me show you what I have. So, we got some paneer masala, we have paratha, we have falafel, sambosa, sausages, and even we have some bake after this breakfast. I'll show you what all things are available over here. And guys, Alhamdulillah, yesterday the sleep was amazing over here. It was so calm, and once you close the windows and all, there is no noise coming into the room at all. But once you come over here, you can hear the beautiful sound of the sea hitting the shores. So it was a very pleasant thing. So now we are going to eat our lunch at an Italian restaurant over here, and I will show you what all things are available in that restaurant and how it tastes. And here, so we can fly here now. There's one here we go is that here. Hello. Hello. Now, the first thing that I loved over here was the swings which are connected to this tree. So, right at the back, you can see beautiful sea, and then there is this swing. Come, I will show you. I'll use the swing and I'll show you. I go, whoa! Wow! Amina! This is the family pool. That is the general pool. So we have two swimming pool. So guys, here you can sit with your family and chillax over here. And at the same time, if you like shisha, you like drinks, coffee, anything, you can order it. You can order shishas. You can either sit over here and smoke them, or you can have it with this view. Overall, the resort is really amazing and it is luxurious as well. And the resorts are clean and their service is really quick. And the chalet in which we were living was mind blowing. And the food over here is also nice. So, guys, before you dip into the swimming pool or beach and you want to play football, you can play football over here. All you have to do is, how's the swimming pool? You like it? Hey, I'm done. Hey. Swing this thing. Come on, Mina, empty. Empty. One, two, faster. Three.